Wait, I bet you haven't seen this before. No, this isn't another rabbit quest or duck quest video. What if I told you there's a way to create viral animal quest videos without showing your face or even using your voice? These creators are raking in millions of views and earnings doing it. This video got 164 million views. I did a little research and let me tell you, they're fully monetized. And it's not just them. Another creator making duck quest videos has racked up over 200 million views with just 18 videos, which is insane. But here's the problem. Everyone is now making duck quest and rabbit quest videos. And guess what? YouTube doesn't reward copycats. Instead, it rewards creators who bring something fresh and unique to the table. So instead of making yet another duck quest or rabbit quest video, why not create your own unique animal quest videos and dominate an untapped niche? In this video, I'll show you how to pick the perfect animal, craft an emotionally engaging story, and use free AI tools to generate stunning visuals and animations, all while keeping YouTube's algorithm in mind. But fair warning, if you miss any of these 6 crucial steps, your videos might not get the views or the earnings you want. Every step counts. And stick around until the end, because I'll share a game-changing tip to make sure YouTube pushes your videos to millions of people and helps you start earning too. If you're ready to turn this into a money-making YouTube automation channel, smash that like button, subscribe, and let's dive in. Step 1. Pick a unique animal. The first mistake many creators make is using overused animals like ducks or rabbits. YouTube already has massive channels dominating those niches. If you start a similar channel, YouTube's algorithm will essentially say, "Nah, we've seen this before," and might not push your content as original. Instead, we need to focus on fresh and equally adorable animals that haven't gone viral yet, but have all the potential to. Animals with high emotional appeal tend to perform best because they evoke strong feelings in viewers. There's something inherently heartwarming about watching a brave little penguin embark on an epic adventure to save the day. If you're unsure which animal to choose, ask ChatGPT to suggest options. Try this prompt. Give me the 10 best adorable baby animals with high emotional appeal for viral Animal Quest video series like Rabbit Quest and Duck Quest. In seconds, you'll have 10 unique options to spark your creativity. For this video, we're going with the baby penguin quest. We chose the baby penguin because its resilience, charm, and ability to thrive in challenging environments make it a perfect fit for captivating stories. Plus, its visual appeal translates beautifully into stunning animations and thumbnails. Now, here's a question for you. Which animal quest do you think would go viral next? Drop a comment below, and I'll personally send you a free AI-generated script tailored to your choice. Step 2. Write a viral-worthy script using AI. Now that we have our main character, it's time to craft an emotionally engaging story that hooks viewers instantly. To understand why certain stories go viral, remember this: viral content taps into universal emotions like joy, fear, surprise, and compassion. By combining these elements, you can create a narrative that resonates deeply with your audience. Luckily, we don't have to reinvent the wheel. We can use the exact formula that made Duck Quest and Rabbit Quest videos so successful. Here is the formula for a viral story. Start with emotion. Introduce compassion. Add a dangerous twist. Heroic moment. Happy ending. Even if storytelling isn't your thing, ChatGPT has your back. While I've created the story we're using for this video, many creators struggle to come up with new ideas. That's why I've prepared a doc file, available in the video description, to make the process seamless. Here's how. Head to ChatGPT and copy-paste the sample story. Then type. I want you to create another scenario adventure for the penguin on an adventure, saving another animal, encountering another predator, and continuing on its journey. Always start from the intense part where the animal is in danger. Then add your own twist to the story. For example, you could prompt ChatGPT with something like, "A leopard cub falls off a cliff, and the penguin happens to be down below. It saves the cub, but then a hyena starts hunting them. Finally, the mother leopard comes to save them both." By doing this, you'll get a completely new story every time. You can tweak the prompts further to add specific scenes or details, ensuring you never run out of ideas. Pro tip: if you need help generating more scenarios, drop a comment below saying, "Send me 5 unique stories." I'll personally send you 5 starter stories you can customize endlessly using ChatGPT. Once you have your story, let's break it into cinematic scenes and generate detailed image prompts for each one. This ensures your visuals are stunning and align perfectly with the narrative. That's why I've prepared a doc file, available in the video description, to make the process seamless. Here's how it works. Copy and paste your story into a new chat in ChatGPT. Next, copy and paste the story to scene prompt from tab 2. Hit send, and ChatGPT will divide the story into cinematic scenes with detailed visual descriptions. With your scenes outlined, copy and paste the scene to image prompt from tab 3, asking ChatGPT to generate highly detailed AI image prompts for key moments in the story. In seconds, you'll have detailed image prompts ready to go. If you're enjoying this and want to see more tips on creating viral Animal Quest videos, hit that like button. It helps YouTube show this to more creators. Step 3. Generate stunning visuals. Now that we have our image prompts, it's time to bring it to life with stunning visuals using free AI tools. Start with Leonardo AI. Log in with your Google or email account. You get 150 free tokens daily. Click on Image Creation and choose Phoenix 1.0 for vibrant visuals. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16, perfect for shorts. Paste your image prompt and generate the image. Do this for all your image prompts. If you run out of tokens, create another account or use alternatives like Pixverse or Pixlumen to keep generating images. If you're finding this helpful, give this video a like. Step 4. Animate your images into a video. Time to transform those static images into a fully animated video. Use tools like Pixverse AI or Hailo AI. Go to the Pixverse website, link in the description. Click Create, upload your images, and add scene descriptions. Hit Generate, and boom, your animation is ready. If you run out of credits, switch to Hailo AI or upgrade your Pixverse account. It's worth it once you're monetized. Step 5. Upscale your video for maximum quality. Now, let's enhance our video quality so it looks crisp and professional. Why we are doing this is because high-quality visuals keep viewers hooked longer, which signals to YouTube that your content is valuable. So for this we use a free AI tool. Go to CapCut's Upscaler and click Magic Tools. Select the Video Upscaler feature. Upload your video and let the tool boost the resolution and sharpness. If you generate your video in Pixverse at high quality, you can skip this step. Quality matters. YouTube prioritizes high-quality videos in recommendations. Step 6. Edit for maximum retention. Import your clips, drag and drop all your animated scenes into CapCut and arrange them in order. Remove watermarks. Ensure none of your clips have watermarks. They can distract viewers and reduce professionalism. Trim your video to fit popular formats. For TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram, aim for a 1-minute runtime with a vertical aspect ratio, 9:16. Use seamless transitions to maintain a polished look. Avoid overusing flashy effects. Subtle fades or slides work best. Enhance the visual appeal of your video with filters that match the mood of your story. For example, use a cool blue filter for Arctic adventures or warm golden tones for jungle settings. Layer sound effects. Add immersive audio elements like storms, water splashes, wind, and animal sounds. Select royalty-free tracks from YouTube's audio library to elevate the emotional tone of your video. Let's preview the video. It looks perfect. Final tip. Now here's one final tip that will make sure your content stands out. When you tell a story that feels personal, relatable, and emotionally impactful, viewers are more likely to engage, share, and come back for more. Think outside the box. So now tell me, which Animal Quest would you choose? Drop a comment below.